My door lock got stuck. No matter how many times I turned it, no matter how many times I unlocked it, didn't matter. I'd turn it and my door would get stuck. It wouldn't open. So let me show you how to unlock it. Let me show you how to open it. I took this off first, right? So I took off the doorknob itself and we're left with this. I think most door locks are different. Nothing is quite the same, as we all know. On mine, there's this little thing right up here. And when I tried it, what happens is this thing gets pulled and that's what pulls the latch. So instead, there's a little metal bit here. So I use a screwdriver. I put pressure into the weight of the door to make sure that it's not holding anything, and then pops open. We'll show you it again. It's closed. You'll see I cannot open it. Okay, so same thing. It's got this little metal piece up here. I'm going to use my flathead screwdriver, push it. That's it. You got this.